Another way to make money online is with dropshipping. So basically what you do is you find a cool, a trendy, a winning product. That's what people call it. So for example, it could be a lamp that's trending on TikTok. It could be an object, anything, as long as it's popular and you see people want that thing. And these kind of winning products, they happen all the time. They just don't last very long because it's based on a trend. So you find that product, you go on AliExpress, you see if it's sold there, which it will be 9 times out of 10, and then you use Shopify, this platform, to make a site, a Shopify store, and you resell the product on there. And then to get customers, you either pay influencers, make content, which sucks because it's going to be difficult to make content to sell physical products like that, or you run Facebook ads, which is the way that dropshippers make money typically. Dropshipping was one of the first businesses I tried back when I was still a broke high school kid, and it's the business that gave me my very first online sale from an entrepreneurial venture. So what I'm going to say about it is very true and honest. Unless you've got 5K to 10K to invest in it, and you don't mind having shitty profit margins and having to deal with customer support nightmares, shipping nightmares, chargebacks, and you also don't mind having 5-20% profit, I mean, don't fucking do dropshipping. Why would you go into this bullshit opportunity which is saturated? Because nowadays, like, if your product is selling well, anybody can just see it on your TikTok or in your ads, and they're gonna fucking steal it, create a ton of competition. It's not fucking worth it. It's a shitty business model. In 2015, sure, it worked more, but it was a long fucking time ago. Nowadays, people are used to buying stuff on Amazon. They get same-day delivery. How the fuck can you compete with your Chinese crap that takes like fucking 3 weeks to arrive? You're not gonna compete. So it's not as bad as like crypto, so I'll put it in C tier, but I think you're just wasting your fucking time. And it's not just my experience. I've spoken to hundreds of people on Zoom calls. Like seriously, hundreds, I don't even know how many at this point. And a lot of people, they tried dropshipping, they tried affiliate marketing, and it never really worked for them. But you know what I've never heard? I've never heard somebody tell me, I tried selling digital products and it didn't work. Never. I've had some people tell me, oh, I made some content and that's it. Okay. Well, what about doing the best business model ever, selling digital products? By the way, if you want me to help you start or grow an info product business, so a course business, when you're done watching this video, click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comment. You'll get a free video training that explains exactly how this business model works and how to grow it, and exactly how it's allowed me to make up to $2,600 in a single day in profit without selling my time, by selling products instead. Products which are very high profit. And on that same page, you can also apply to book a free one-to-one call with me directly. And on that call, I'm gonna basically take a look at your situation, who you are right now. We'll take a look at the things you tried and I'll show you why they failed up until now. And I'm also gonna give you a custom step-by-step roadmap you can follow so you can start selling online courses today and get your first customers quick. So obviously, I'm sure you realize, since I take these calls myself, I can't do 100 of them per day, even per month. So if you want to secure your spot, just click the link in the description below, grab the free training, book your call, and I will see you on the call.